Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to BakeCookTravel. Today we are going on an amazing adventure to Stratford, Ontario, a little town 2 hours from Toronto, and that has been inspired by the plays of William Shakespeare. It's not just very theatrical, but also very romantic and very delicious. It has amazing restaurants, shops, beautiful theatres, live entertainment, gardens, a stunning lake for activities and more. This is a little town that you must visit if you're in Ontario. I will show you all the beauty of this place and of course some food. You will fall in love with the Stratford. Also an amazing extra nearby tip for exploring if you want to get a little more adventurous. So come with me. Heading from Toronto, it will take you just under 2 hours to get to Stratford. It's a cute, charming and very romantic little town. As you get there, you can start to see beautiful houses. The streets are full of trees and flowers. There are pink large bouquets of flowers on almost every post along the streets. It makes the city so enchanted. When you get into the main area, you will see a big and stunning lake, which is the most beautiful area to stay. By car or walking, it's incredibly beautiful. You will see very beautiful theatres, as the city is known as the capital of theatre in Canada. Similar to Niagara-on-the-Lake, Stratford is one of the best places to catch a play. With over 4 beautiful theatres, the festival, the Tom Patterson. They just finished renovating the Tom Patterson Theatre for $72 million. The Avon and the Studio Theatre. You can catch a Shakespeare classic or period-inspired piece all summer long and even into the fall. You can even check out the famous stairs at the Avon Theatre, where Justin Bieber started his career. Maybe you will get discovered too. I recommend parking by the Shakespeare's Garden. Start here and then walk by the lake. When you're done in the garden, walk by the lake, crossing the William Hutt Bridge, to explore a little island to relax and take photos. This way you will have a very nice full experience along the lake. You can rent canoes, paddle boats at the riverside patio and enjoy the lake. They even have swans. Make sure to take lots of photos. As you come from the garden, you can get into the main street, Ontario Street, where you'll see lots of restaurants, very cool bars, little stores. And if you want to learn how to cook, there is a culinary school right there. People always get in line for this ice cream place very close to the Shakespearean Gardens. But the place I always go when I'm there is the Chocolate Factory. They have all these amazing chocolate treats. Ice creams. And my favorite and must-have, the chocolate-covered cheesecake. I always get the milk chocolate one and go crazy. You can really find all the kinds of food in Stratford. There are a good variety and a wide range of casual and fine dining. We really like this Asian fusion cuisine place, The Alley. They have an amazing speakeasy decor inside with patio area that is very cute and cozy. The food is amazing. We went there to have the Baobab flight, but they weren't serving it for lunch, so we decided to head to another great spot. So we tried for the second time the Hub. We've been here before and we really like it. They have a butchery and brewery in the same place. It's a very cool place with lots of patio area. We got a ribs platter, which was very fresh, comforting and tasty. It was a late lunch, and as we have also a very nice dinner coming, we needed to save some space. They have lots of very tasty options. Other great restaurants are the Bry House. The Red Rabbit. Paso Pizzeria, Bentleys, and many more. So after enjoying a very nice afternoon by the water, some food and amazing pictures, we head out to a very beautiful and stunning place just 20 minutes from Stratford. It's located in a very little town called New Hamburg. And I highly recommend trying on your way in or out of Stratford. It's called the Podcomb House, family restaurant, hotel and spa. This place is a must-go if you're in the area. It's so beautiful. Every single detail is enjoyable and remarkable. All the decorations, design, architecture, and of course the food. You can even have your wedding here or any party you want. There is a very nice event area. We had this delicious and very well done calamari fritti for appetizer. And for mains, truffle and balsamic spaghetti, and a Podcomb pizza with a very interesting and tasty apple butter mustard. Everything was delicious, fresh, and very tasty. I just wanted to stay there all night enjoying that place and eating. The pictures that turned out very nice too. So guys, this was our little adventure to Stratford with a little extra for you. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next adventure. Ciao! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On BakeCookTravel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here, and for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.